Hello everyone, welcome to Hans's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego phone with a Lego wire and a plug. First, I'm going to show you how to build the phone and the wire. These are the pieces you need. 1 2x8 brick, 1 2x4 brick, 2 2x2 bricks, 3 1x2 bricks, 2 2x4 plates, 3 2x8 3 plates, 1 1x4 plate, 4 1x3 plates, 2 1x3 L-shaped plates, 2 1x2 plates, 1 1x2 grilled brick, 1 1x2 brick with the hole shaped as like an axle in it, 2 1x1 snot brick with a hole in the front, 1 1x2 Technic brick, 1 1x2 slope cheese wedge, 1 1x2 tile, 1 6x6 plate, 1 axle, and 2 studs. Let's build. Ta-da! Now I'm going to show you how to build the plug. These are the pieces you need to build the plug. 3 2x4 bricks, 2 1x2 bricks, 1 2x4 plate, 2 2x2 rounded plate. Let's build. Ta-da! Now that we finished building, let's see how it works. So, this is the power button. These two are the volume buttons. This is the increasing volume one, and this is the decreasing one. And if something happens to the phone, like that the music isn't working, you can push the power button up like that, and then you go in the small part right there and then pull it up there. Then you pull it up here, and then you pull it up here. This is the computer chip and this is the battery. What the battery does is that when the thing is charged, it makes it so you can recharge it again. And this is for the sounds. Because it's broken, we're gonna fix that thing. So here's the good one, and we're gonna take it out and replace it. And you can do that same thing with any other one if you have a one for another one of them. So to fix it back, then you have to put this here. Put this back here, and now it's fixed. So now you can put the axle. You can put the axle or your wire in here to charge it, and you need to put it in the plug. Once you hear the sound, then you put it here. And if I want a bigger wire, then I can get a bigger one and have that one instead. Ta-da! Because the plug has a second part at the top, you can put another phone in at the top, which is similar to this one. Now that I showed you how it works, now I'm going to show you how to customize it. Here are a few ways, and the pieces you need are only one piece. They're just studs. And you can also use flower pieces like these. So the first design is going to be a heart. So you have to put the studs like this. And now for the last piece, you can also fill it in here, but I'm going to do it without filling it in. Now I'm going to show you how to make the letter S. You can also add a few designs at the top, like this. The last pattern is a pattern that'll fill the whole entire back of the phone. Now I'm going to skip to the part once I finish it. This is how the pattern looks once I finished it. There is also small shapes inside, like a flower and a square. You can also make different patterns if you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!